everybody, my name's Cameron from Atani, and today we're doing scenario analysis. This is a really fun subject because it's actually about being proactive with your clients. So paint the picture as always. Old Man Online Clothing, it's a Xero organization for demo purposes. They sell clothes online, and I've dumped the data out of Xero into Power BI. So this is one of the Atani templates that you can do with scenario. So what we can do here is you've got this drop down that's picking up all of the revenue accounts that are coming out of Xero. So you can choose which accounts, which products essentially you can apply a discount to. So say we're going to do shirts, socks, and shorts. Okay, so you select the products that you're choosing. Everything updates, so it processes in the Power BI system. So everything arrives here. So we've got the 4 products that we're going to apply a discount. So we're going to do a big discount on it. Let's actually bump it up. Let's go to 40%. Okay, so we're going to apply a 40% discount on those 4 products. Okay, so everything updates. And because of that 40% discount that we're doing, we're going to get a demand change of 15%. So overall, the entire store, every revenue pipeline is going to get 15% growth because of this big sale that we've got on. So what that does is it puts this scenario through for the first, what are we doing? We're doing the 2019 financial year for the first 6 months of that year. Okay, so based on that, the scenario sales are coming out at 1.42 million. But your budget that you've already set for the 2019 financial year, which doesn't have this scenario in it, is actually got you set at 1.55 million. I'm not going to go into detail on the budget because we've done budgets previously, but just for example's sake, this is showing that that scenario is going to leave your client $130,000 out, so 9% difference under. So basically that pattern's not going to work. That's a bad idea. Let's drop back the discount to 10% at a safer level, and now all of a sudden we've got this scenario being above budget of 78,000. Okay, so based on that, 15% change. Okay, so what you can do with this is then all of a sudden you go, okay, bang, let's make this scenario our 2019 financial year budget. So you can now all of a sudden bring in the actual results when they happen, and you can track over time if they're meeting the expectations. So if they're under budget, the first thing you can say is that 1, your 15% demand increase that you estimated is not accurate. You're not getting the results based on a 10% discount. But you can see the flexibility here of moving this toggle up and down and working out an end result. This is a pattern. This scenario of a product on sales is a pattern. You can apply the same pattern to profit margins, or maybe you want to apply it, for example, if your client had if your client was running a gym and you wanted to know how many how many gym memberships they need to sell, so possibly put up like 50 gym memberships at a discounted price. What's the end result over time with that revenue stream? All these different scenarios, you can use the same pattern, and it's a really explosive way to help your clients grow their business. So that's all from me. This is just a short one introducing you to scenarios. The template's available. You can set this up in 2 minutes with a client. Any client in your system, as long as they're in Xero, you can pump this template into the system, change the numbers around to what you're after. Give me a call if you're looking to do this type of stuff in your accounting firm, and we can have a chat. Cheers.